If I had, once again, if I had 10 people, 10 students, and I needed to choose a committee of 3 people, yeah? And it's how many different teams can I have, not how many ways the team can be picked. So what I'm doing is I'm doing 10C3, not 10P3. Because 10P3 would take, imagine a committee of Anthony, Becky, and Carl, yeah? 10P3 would count Carl, Anthony, and Becky as a different group, while it's clearly the same committee, just in a different order. So when I go to my calculator, I go 10 and I go C 3. Lads, 120, is that all right? Now, what would you expect the P answer to be? Too big or too small? Why is it too big? You can put them any way you want. So that's why there's so many more different combinations. Great. Now, next thing after that, guys, you'll see this formula here. Now, this is all I'm going to refer you to here is NCR means n factorial divided by r factorial by n minus r factorial. Now, there's something else we need to discuss here. Here it is. Example is if I wanted to do 10C3 again, yeah, or 10C3, or it can be written like this as well. Instead of n, what number do I have? 10. Instead of r, what number do I have? And then what's 10 take away 3? That's the calculation it does. So if you put all that in as factorials, you'll get the same answer as what 10C3 is. So you will need to understand that that's how it works. Unless it asks specifically for something like that, don't do it. Just let me go through this. We'll find on the log tables the next day. Next thing you're going to notice is the following. Okay, I'm going to write down something. Can anybody tell me, can anybody get 10C7 for me? Just 10C7. And are they equal to each other? What's 10C3? What's 10C7? Is it? Have you checked the calculator? Huh. But that logic, 10C4 is the same as what? Exactly. All you need to do is take away the number. So another example would be 11C3 is the same as 11C8. It's perfect. Okay. Now finally, NCR is the same as what? Is N, what's on the bottom then? N take away whatever R is. Does everybody see that pattern? Okay, perfect. It's the top number take away the bottom number. See 11 take away 3 is 8, or 11 take away 8 is 3. It's always the top number minus the bottom number. Turns into the other one. Okay. Now we're going into combination questions. All of what this is a calculator question. All you need to do for this question here is just do 8 times whatever 10C2 is. What is 10C2? Just in your calculator really quickly. Okay. And what's 10C3? And then if it was to multiply both these out, they're about 360s. See how handy that question is? Okay. Now, gets to the wordies then, okay? So 2, 4. Okay. How many ways can a team consisting of 11 players be selected from a panel of 14? I think I already covered this earlier. 14C11. That's for the first question. The first question is written in the blue part. That's for the blue part only. So what do we get as the answer? 364. Okay, thank you. Nextly, in the next question, if 14 players include only one goalkeeper, how many different teams can be selected if the goalkeeper is included in each team? Okay, there's only one goalkeeper, is there? Goalkeeper gets chosen straight away. That means I have 13 players left to choose from and only 10 positions left to fill. So what's 13C10? Out of all those teams, the goalkeeper is in 286 of those teams. We good? Okay, next one. 8. Last one. Never mind. Your homework's on Google Classroom.